Hello guys, today we will learn the close function and it is a function of PHP MySQL and it does close a previously open database connection. Here have a two type of close function. First, called close function that used in the object oriented type of query, and second called MySQL underscore close function that used in the procedure type of query. First check the object-oriented style. Now we write a simple SQL select query and run this query. And it's return data from the students table as an array. Now we are adding the close function front of the SQL query and run this again. Now the SQL query return a warning or fatal error, cause we close the database connection before executing the query. Now we check the procedural style. We are using the MySQL underscore close function and run again this query. We see the same warning. Before we end this session, please like this video, and if any query, then let me know in the comment. Thank you everyone for stay with me. See you guys in the next one. Until then, peace.